Hello, hi, namaskar. I am Rishabh Chatterjee. In this video, we'll be taking a look at some of the SUVs and MUVs in the used car market in Bengaluru. So if you find this video informative, don't forget to hit on that like button, share this video and also subscribe to the channel. And yeah, now let's take a look at all the vehicles here. Please do like my Facebook page and also follow me on Instagram. This is the Nissan Terrano. Let me just take a look around the vehicle. XV. Let's just go in the front and see how does the car look actually. And let's take a look at the information. So this is a 2015 model, has done 67,000 kilometers, first owner, and diesel. Asking price is 8,50,000. Nissan. So next let's move on to the Innova. So we have an Innova here, white color. This is not the latest generation. The latest generation is the Crista. This is the one behind that, the previous model. So let's take a look at the information of this car. So this is 2014-15 model, has done 1,32,000 kilometers, V, second owner, diesel, and asking price is 15 lakhs. So this is how the car looks from side. Has alloy wheels. This has been added extra chrome, and even here this chrome has been added. The handle comes chrome, but this part protection is extra chrome. Then back again, I don't think this comes in black, it has been changed. Comes with spoiler. Spoiler also is an extra accessory in Innova. Alright, so can we take a look at the interiors? Okay, I have to come from that side. So let's go on that side and check out the interiors of the Innova. So yeah, I'm going from this side. I hope the car is open. Very less space here. Okay, so a quick peek at the interiors of the Innova. So you can see it comes with the touchscreen. This is a top end model, automatic climate control, steering mounted controls. The seats have been changed. I think these are seat covers. Here also you can see seat covers changed. And oh, this comes with captain seats. You can see it's captain seats here. And yeah, that was the Innova. Next we have the Ertiga here, silver color. Front end of the car is the diesel variant. So what is the information? So this is 2012 model, has done 85,000 kilometers, second owner, and asking price is 6.75, 6,75,000. A quick look at the exteriors of the car. So which variant is this, by the way? This is VDI. Okay, VDI. So mid variant. Does not come with alloy wheels on this. Back profile of the car. You can see this spoiler has been added. This does not come as standard. Even you can see next we have the Ford. Which one is this? Ford, what is this called? Ford. What is this Ford called? So I know this. Suddenly I'm forgetting. EcoSport. Yeah. I don't know why. Like for seconds I was not able to remember which car is this. I was remembering Fiesta and not EcoSport. So we'll take a look at this car. first let's move on. This was the Innova that I showed you before. This is the Mahindra XUV 500. So white color, comes with rain visors, projector headlamps, no fog lights on this. This one is 2012 model, W8, second owner, and asking price is 9.50. Comes with alloy wheels on this, and we'll take a look behind. Little difficult to get inside the car, so we'll move on to the next one. This is the Ford EcoSport, orange color. There's no fog light on this. Steel rims with covers, and this is how the car looks. Pretty clean, no scratches much, only little swirl marks are there. Other than that, there's not any marks and all. TDCI, so that means it's a diesel. And here is the XUV that I showed you before. And next, let's move on. So next we have the Bolero and the Ford EcoSport, and this one is a higher variant. As you can see, this comes with fog lights. And if you want information about this cars, whichever don't have the slip, that car also doesn't have, so you can contact the number in the description and get the details. So this is the Bolero Storm. There's no fog light on this here in the front. There is wheel covers, but that is aftermarket. Storm logo or stickering at the side, CRDE. And let's take a look at the information. Bolero VLX 2010 model, has done 95,377 kilometers, single owner, and asking price is 4.85. so that's the Bolero. It's a dual tone one. As you can see, it's black, and the down one is like greenish golden color. And then we have the Ford EcoSport, brown color, chocolate brown color. Comes with alloy wheels. Very difficult to go behind because there's not enough space. You can see the roof is actually black. Roof is black, and there is also some roof rails on top. So these cars you can contact to get the information regarding these cars. So these were all the SUVs and MUVs here. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit on that like button. Follow me on Instagram @RC Media House, Facebook, YouTuber Rishabh Chatterjee. And if you want any details regarding these cars, then the number and address will be in the description. You can contact them through that. Well, for now, this is Rishabh Chatterjee signing off, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.